Hi, my name is Blake. I'm with BlvdHome Service and Repair. Today we're going to talk about refrigerators and how to extend the life of the refrigerator by doing simple things such as cleaning the condenser coils underneath your refrigerator. We are going to talk about today how to properly locate where your condenser coils are on your refrigerator and demonstrate how to clean them, what to look for, and how quickly your condenser coils will clog up and why it's really important to get those cleaned for the life of your refrigerator. The biggest reason for condensers and reason they do need to be cleaned is they are an integral part of the refrigeration system. Now with refrigerators, it actually removes heat. I know that sounds kind of counterproductive, what everybody's learned, but in reality, refrigeration removes heat. It takes the heat from inside and transfers that heat down to your condenser coils underneath your refrigerator. Now, with those coils being warm and hot is where they're going to be. We have fans moving air across those coils and also cooling down the compressor. So it's really important that those condenser coils are clean, because if not, the fan doesn't have enough air to move across those coils to be able to remove the heat from those coils and then also blow cooler air across the compressor to keep your compressor running properly and keeping that cool also. So when they stay dirty, the refrigerator doesn't cool as efficiently as it should. It makes the refrigerator run longer, so your electricity bill goes up, and it also reduces the life of your refrigerator. On most of the newer refrigerators, the most current ones, your condenser coils are located on the very back of the unit. So you do have to pull your refrigerator out to access your condenser coils. Now on the panels itself, I have one right here. Let me grab it real fast. Now this is the panel off of this refrigerator. I already removed it. Now on this, you can see there's two sets of openings here. One opening is the inlet for the air, one is the outlet of the air. Generally the outlet doesn't get very clogged with dust and dirt, but the inlet definitely does get clogged with dust and dirt. So when you pull it out and you're seeing this, and there's all this junk and dust and dirt, and especially if you have a harder surface floor or you have animals that like to shed, cats, dogs, as we all do, we all love our animals, the refrigerator is going to pull that air to the back, getting airflow, and it's going to take and cover up these condenser coils with pet dander and hair, and that's also going to affect it, and it will also affect the coils behind it as far as how dirty they get. So when you have animals and you had hard surface floors, generally when you clean your condenser coils, you want to clean them every 3 to 6 months. 6 months is generally if you don't have animals or a lot of dust, closer to 3 months if you do have animals and a harder surface floor. So when you're cleaning your condenser coils on your refrigerator, all you'll really basically need is a few hand tools to take off the back cover to get access to the condenser itself. You'll need your vacuum with your upholstery brush, that's your fuzzy brush. And then also another good thing you can have is a brush like this. This is what's called a condenser brush. This is just a brush you can kind of get in there and scrub off your condenser coils if they're really dusty and dirty, and then you can vacuum off. It makes it a lot easier. So we do sell these, and then also you can get them usually at any Bed Bath & Beyond, anybody that sells brushes like this for cleaning your refrigerators. When you are going to clean your condenser coils, it is very important that you do unplug the refrigerator while you're doing this process so you don't get harmed or hurt during the time you are cleaning it, because there is live power down there and a few other things. So please unplug your refrigerator, do your cleaning, and then put your panel back on, and then plug your refrigerator back in. We have the back of this refrigerator that we were showing previously. We have it turned around and we have the back panel removed from it so we can see all of our components down here. Now all of our components down here, this black thing right here, this is our condenser coils. They may have a different look to them, but they'll all generally be, there'll be a big metal tubing area, and this is your condenser coils. And you'll just vacuum this off real good to make sure that we don't bend any tubing or anything during that time. If you have air compressor or a can of air, something that doesn't have a whole lot of pressure, you can also blow this off and make sure that this is all nice and clean. Earlier we talked about our condenser fan. This is our condenser fan right here. This is what moves air across our condenser to remove the heat from it. And this here is our compressor on this unit. And so this condenser fan, as you can see, it pulls air across your condenser here through the fan, and then it blows air also across the compressor here, and then it will come out your vent side over here that I showed you on the back panel to help keep the airflow and keep the compressor and everything cool on this unit. So if that panel gets blocked here, And also, this gets dirty. You can see how, or it gets pushed back against the wall too far. You can all see why this doesn't breathe very well and why the refrigerator doesn't cool as well as it should be cooling. And so it's very important to keep this clean so your refrigerator will last longer and not run as much during the cooling process. So this refrigerator being a brand new refrigerator, you know, on our showroom floor, your condenser coils aren't very dirty on this at all. They're pretty clean. So to demonstrate how to do this, it's pretty difficult. So what we're going to do is one of our team members that works here at BlvdHome, he's going to record cleaning the condenser coils on his personal refrigerator, and we'll add that in the video so you can see what it's like with his personal refrigerator. Thank you for watching this video today. I hope this has been helpful. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to get more of these videos that we'll be producing along the way so we can help you out with other appliances.
Hey everybody, hope you enjoyed the video. Check out our other amazing videos here on the BlvdHome YouTube site. We have everything from how to clean your washer to maintenance tips for your dryer to how to load a dishwasher to what soap's best for your washer. We have so many things, best dishwashers, best built-in refrigerators. Check out our channel for amazing great things, and you can see many of these videos right here around me are great ones to go view as well. Thank you for watching YouTube. We love you guys and have a great day.